Today, we're gonna learn how to pronounce and practice the G sound. This is an interesting sound. To make it, we have to raise the back of our tongue and make it touch the back of the top of our mouth, where it's a bit softer. So you'll just be able to feel that you're blocking the air from coming out. So it'll feel like you're closing your throat. Build up a little bit of pressure and vocalize. It's a voiced sound. So you should be able to feel and hear a sound. And then release. G, g, g. It's basically a K sound, k, 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 but you have to vocalize. G, g, g. And that's it. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Good. Game. Gift. Ago. Lego. Figure. Dog. Bag. Big. Fantastic. Now let's practice with a sentence. Go ahead and read this sentence out loud and then listen to how I say it. Here we go. Gary got a great gift for his big dog. How'd you do? Well, fantastic. Now you know how to say the G sound. Practice this sound slowly and as many times as you need to until you become a master of this sound. Keep on learning and keep on practicing. Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to increase your English level, I recommend my book, 100 Phrasal Verbs and How to Use Them. It's a practical workbook so that you can master some of the most common phrasal verbs in English. So, thanks again. See you in the next one.